Career Essentials Assessment Process, Blackboard Goals and Rubrics. Step 1, Alignment. MATC's core abilities, now known as Career Essentials, are 7 competencies that must be demonstrated by students within all program courses per the Higher Learning Commission's accreditation standards. Each course that faculty teach must include one career essential related to skill mastery within the course. Faculty then create one Career Essentials assessment in each course to assess student performance according to standards defined in a rubric. Blackboard contains integrated goal and rubric tools to help you align and assess student performance against Career Essential competencies. Faculty assess student attainment of a Career Essential within a course in Blackboard through a short, 3-step process using Blackboard's goal and rubric tools. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to complete Step 1, Alignment. This step entails preparing the Career Essentials assessment by adding one Career Essentials assessment rubric to a course and creating an assignment aligned to a Career Essentials goal. Steps 2 and 3, where the instructor assesses the student and shares feedback with students, should occur towards the end of the course to assess only the student's most mature work. For greatest efficiency when setting up the assessment, we recommend performing Step 1 when developing a course's content in a personal or department master. This tutorial makes the following assumptions. You already know how to log into Blackboard and access an assigned section. Also, you already know how to create and manage content within a course. If you do not know these prerequisite skills, see the Faculty Support website for helpful tutorials and support options. Importing a Career Essentials rubric. At a minimum, program courses require alignment and evaluation of at least one Career Essential. Rubrics have been created to assist with this evaluation. To add a copy of a Career Essentials interactive grading rubric that addresses the Career Essential you want to evaluate in a single course, follow these steps. When viewing the course as instructor, locate the course's control panel. In the control panel, click on the Course Tools menu. In the list of course tools, locate and click on the Rubrics link. On the Rubrics main page, click on the Import Rubric button. On the Import Rubric page, click on the Browse Content Collection button. This will bring up a Browse Content Collection window. Roll your mouse over the Browse button and select Institution Content. On the page that appears, click the Career Essentials rubric link. This will display all of the Career Essentials rubrics on the system that are available to faculty. Select the rubric you want to import into your course. In this example, I will select Effective Communication through Speaking and Listening. Then click Submit. You will be taken back to the Import Rubric screen, which will display your selected rubric. Select the Submit button to complete the import process. If you are successful, you will see the Rubric Import Results Summary screen. Click the OK button to exit this screen. The rubric will appear within your course's rubrics list and is ready for you to apply to an assessment in the course. Once you have added the rubric to your course, you may create a dynamic assignment that students complete by sending a written response or file to your course's grade center for your review. You will create a dynamic assignment and pair it with your Career Essentials rubric through these steps. When edit mode is turned on in your course, navigate to a content area, such as weekly lessons. When viewing the content area, at the top of the page, roll your mouse over the Assessments button and select Assignment from the drop-down menu. You will be taken to the Create Assignment page. Under Assignment Information, give the assignment a name and instructions. Scroll down to the Grading section. Roll your mouse over the Add Rubric button and click Select Rubric. In the pop-up window that appears, select the Career Essential rubric that you imported into your course. Then click Submit. A pop-up alert will appear and ask you to confirm assigning the rubric's maximum points possible to the assignment. Click OK. The rubric will be added to the associated rubrics list. Roll your mouse over the Show Rubric to Students button and select Yes with rubric scores. Click the Submit button at the bottom of the page to create the assignment. If you are successful, you will see a confirmation message and the dynamic assignments link appear on the page. Once you have created the assignment with associated Career Essentials rubric, follow these steps to align a Career Essentials goal to the assignment. In the content area where the assignment is posted, roll your mouse over the assignment's name. Click the gray context arrow that appears and select Add Alignments from the context menu. In the Discover Goals window that appears, click Goal Set. From the list of available goal sets, select Institutional. In the Criteria Summary pane, select a Career Essentials goal that matches the rubric that you align to your assignment. In this example, I will select Effective Communication through Speaking and Listening. When you are done, click Submit. If you are successful, the goals information will appear in a table underneath the assignment. Show the goal to students by clicking on the No Symbol toggle button. The button's icon will change to a check mark. Once you have completed these tasks, direct students to complete the dynamic assignment. Next steps. Now that Step 1 alignment is complete, the assignment is ready to be deployed to students for completion. Proceed to the next video to learn about Step 2 assessment. If you have questions about the Career Essentials assessment process in Blackboard, contact TLT department at metc.edu.